Hello friends, this is Udaysagar Kandpal and today I am going to demonstrate a class to check whether a string is palindrome or not. I am using Java on Netbeans IDE. So to those friends who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Those who like my video in the end, please do like, and those who want notifications of my next videos, please press the bell icon. Now let's start. So we'll create a class called Palindrome to check whether a string is a palindrome or not. But before coming to a understanding of how to check if it's a palindrome or not, we need to know what is a palindrome. A palindrome is a string that is same if we go from right to left or left to right. If a string is reversed, and check, and if it's same, it's a palindrome. So let's define. Now if string s1 is equals to a, reverse of a is a, then it's a palindrome. Reverse of AB is BA, which is not equal to AB. It's not a palindrome. Reverse of AB is ABA, which is equal to ABA. It's a palindrome. Now let's say, now we have to define a function whether it's a palindrome or not. Now since it will check, it will return true or false, so we'll define the return type as boolean string s. So by default it considers every string to be a palindrome. Now we have to check whether it's a palindrome or not. So we have to traverse the string to its half and check all the reverse values. So if int I equal to 0, I smaller than equals to half, I plus plus. Now what is half here? Half is equal to s dot length by 2. So now we have to check if a string is equal to its reverse or not. If it's not, return false. If s dot char at I is not equals to s dot char at reverse, return false. What is reverse? S dot length minus I minus 1, that would be reverse. Why I minus 1? Because say if the string is ABA, the index starts from 0 and goes on like 0, 1 and 2. So we have to compare the 0 and the second index. So s equal to if I is equal to 0, s dot length minus I minus 1 would be 3 minus 0 minus 1, that is 2. Hence we are comparing the first and the last character, and so on. So let's now check this if it's working fine. S1 is palindrome S1, and for S2 also. Let's run shift F6. ABA is palindrome, ABC is not. ABA is returning true, ABC is returning false. That means our code is correct. Let's check for single string also, and let's now make this a palindrome. ABCBA is reverse ABCBA. Both should return true, and both are returning true. So friends, thank you for watching my tutorial on is it a palindrome or not. Those who like my video, please like. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe.